Hi scientists, it's day 2 of Digital Breakout, and I know some of you are so frustrated, but I have some information that I'd like for you to share today. I'd like to share with you today just to see what you can do with the Digital Breakout. So today what I'd like for you to do, if you have not finished with My Teacher is an Alien, that's where I would like for you to start. If you have finished with My Teacher is an Alien, then you're going to go to 3, 2, 1, blast off. And what I've done, instead of posting in the discussion board, what I've done today is with each breakout, I have created a document with information, and I want to show you where that is. So if you're working on My Teacher is an Alien, and you click on in Schoology, it reminds you again of how to log in. And then see right here, it says hints for each lock. Click here. So when you click here, it's going to open a Google Doc. And so it says the number lock, and then there's something that goes along with it, the arrow lock. Then there is the color lock and the color lock, okay? So today when you're working on My Teacher is an Alien, have this open and then also have your breakout. I will still have the discussion board available so you can still post questions, and I check it throughout the day. So the discussion board will be there, but this document will be here as well, okay? And so once you finish with My Teacher is an Alien, then I would like for you to attempt 3, 2, 1, blast off. 3, 2, 1 blast off is slightly different because you can choose which lock you want to do first. You don't have to go in a specific order. I listed the clues in order that the locks are presented. So for example, see how it says here, hints for each lock, click here. And it opens this document. When you see the locks, you see them as number lock, color, there's an ABC lock, and then an ABC lock. So that's the order that they show up, but you can do them in any order, okay? I want this to be challenging, and I want you to keep trying. I'd like for you to read the hints. Also, I had people come to conference today. I'm in a Schoology conference in science from 10 to 11 and 1 to 2. And both times I had multiple people in, and classmates were sharing and brainstorming, and we worked together, and it was so much fun. So please take advantage of the science conferences and take advantage of the hint pages that I made for you. So please, if you've not finished My Teacher is an Alien, do that one, and then give 3, 2, 1, blast off a try. You can do this.